If Generative Fill is not working in Adobe Photoshop, don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues Photoshop users face, especially after updates or new installations. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through every proven fix professionals use to get Generative Fill working again. We'll cover version problems, internet issues, GPU settings, account permissions, and more. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the fix that applies to your situation. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first and most important thing to check is your Photoshop version. Generative Fill only works in Photoshop 2024, 2025, or newer. If you're running an older version, the button simply won't appear, no matter what you try. To check this, open Adobe Creative Cloud and go to the Apps section. Find Photoshop in the list and see if there's an Update button next to it. If there is, click Update and let it fully install. Once the update finishes, restart Photoshop and check again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. Next, let's talk about your internet connection. Generative Fill is powered by Adobe Firefly AI, which runs in the cloud. That means it will not work offline. If your internet is unstable or blocked, Generative Fill may be grayed out or stuck loading. First, make sure you're connected to the internet. Then, temporarily turn off any VPN you're using. VPNs often interfere with Adobe's AI servers. If that doesn't fix it, try disabling your firewall briefly to test. Also, make sure Photoshop is allowed through your firewall settings. Once confirmed, restart Photoshop and test Generative Fill again. If it's still not working, the issue could be an Adobe account authentication glitch. Sometimes AI features get disabled because your login session expires in the background. Here's how to fix it. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, click your profile icon, and choose Sign Out. After signing out, restart your computer completely. This step is important. Once your system boots back up, sign back into Creative Cloud and reopen Photoshop. This refreshes your account authentication and often restores Generative Fill instantly. Another very common fix is resetting Photoshop preferences. Corrupted preference files can break AI tools without showing any obvious error. To reset them, first close Photoshop completely. Then hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on your keyboard while reopening Photoshop. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Delete Preferences. Photoshop will launch with fresh default settings. After it opens, test Generative Fill again. Now let's check GPU acceleration. Generative features require your graphics processor to be enabled. If GPU acceleration is off, certain AI features may not function properly. Open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Make sure the box next to Use Graphics Processor is checked. If it's not, enable it and click OK. Then restart Photoshop so the change takes effect. This step is especially important if you recently updated your graphics drivers. Here's something many people overlook. Generative Fill only appears when you have an active selection. If nothing is selected, the button will not show up. This confuses a lot of users. To fix this, select the Lasso tool, Object Selection tool, or Marquee tool. Draw a selection on your image. As soon as the selection is active, you should see the Generative Fill button appear in the contextual taskbar. No selection means no button. It's that simple. Finally, you need to make sure your Adobe account actually has access to generative AI features. Some accounts, especially in certain regions or enterprise setups, may have AI features disabled. To check this, go to your Adobe account page in a browser. Navigate to Privacy Settings and look for Generative AI or Firefly settings. Make sure generative AI features are enabled. If they're turned off, enable them, then restart Photoshop and test again. So to quickly recap, update Photoshop to the latest version, check your internet and disable VPNs, sign out and back into Adobe, reset Photoshop preferences, enable GPU acceleration, make sure you have an active selection, and confirm that your Adobe account allows generative AI features. One of these solutions will almost always fix Generative Fill not working. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like and subscribe for more Adobe Photoshop troubleshooting guides and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.